Hi Parth, you have started learning JavaScript concepts. Can you tell us what have you learned today?
Hello everyone, this is day 17 of 100 days internship challenge. Today I have learned about handling promises using async await.
So Parth, can you tell us what are async await used for?
A async keyword transforms a regular JavaScript function into an asynchronous function, causing it to return a promise. The await keyword is used to inside an async function to pause its execution and wait for a promise to resolve before continuing. This is our function. We created this function as async, and this is linked to fetch the data, and it pauses using await till the data get, and after data get we printed it on console. Let's see. Thank you.